Hello my fellow fays, and welcome back to the channel. Many of you know I'm on a journey this year to make my life as whimsical as possible, which is why I'm super excited to share with you my newest whimsical addition to my life. And the best part about this is that you don't even have to pay the diamond tax to get this beautiful ring. This is my newest obsession from MollyJewelryUS and their vintage Moissanite collection. This ring also hides a secret message just for me that I'll get into a little bit later, along with a permanent discount code, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys around the website. So I am on the MollyJewelryUS.com website. And they also have men's rings and other jewelry, so I highly encourage you guys to shop around and check out the website itself. If you guys want to get to my ring, you're going to go to Moissanite Rings, you're going to shop by style, and go to the vintage Moissanite Rings collection. Once you're on this page, you can see all the beautiful styles. This one was another ring that I was thinking of getting. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the carvings here on the side, but there are so many options, and these are all of their vintage inspired rings. There's a whole nother section we're not even going to get to, so I highly encourage you guys to look around on the vintage rings, and I'm going to go to the third page here. On the third page, you can see my ring, so I'm just going to click on that to open it up. Once you're on this page, you can tailor everything, from the center stone carat to the metal. Every detail is up to you. Moissanite has more fire than a diamond, so you get this insane level of sparkle at the fraction of a cost. So you can choose what currency you want this in, you can choose what metal you want this in. Here you can choose your ring size, and they have such a wide variety of ring sizes. Usually when I'm shopping for rings, they stop around 5, and I'm usually a 4 or a 3 in ring sizes depending on the finger. They have such a variety of different ring sizes. You can also get something custom made if you need it under the 3 or over the 9. And they just have so many options for customizations, including personal engraving. And lastly, another feature that I really like is that they also include what the ring looks like on a hand. And they offer so many pictures, so you can really see what you're getting and an up close and personal look at the rings. My ring arrived in this beautiful packaging, ready for gifting, whether it be to yourself or somebody that you love. There are so many beautiful rings on the website, but the thing that really stuck out to me about this ring is the marquise-cut stone. The deep teal sapphires on the side help to add a touch of color and helps to frame the main stone. The prongs are another detail I cannot get over. The prongs make this piece feel very unique and otherworldly. A lot of modern rings try to hide the prongs or make them feel unimportant, while the prongs here feel more like an accent than just a part to hold up the stone. The craftsmanship is impeccable. One of my favorite things about this ring is the engraving. Engraving takes a ring from beautiful to meaningful. It can be the little extra thought in a gift, or if you're gifting it to yourself, the little extra reminder to keep going. On the side of my ring, I got modish fée engraved, and I don't think I've ever actually explained the meaning behind modish fée. Modish means stylish or fashionable, and fée as in the folklore creatures. It combines my love for fashion with my love for fantasy and whimsy, and I feel like this ring is a perfect combination of both. I got modish fée engraved on my ring as a reminder of what I am building and to keep going, and also a reminder of everything that I've created and built so far. So now every time I look at my ring, I'm reminding myself to choose me. If you want or need engraving ideas, you can always use an acronym from a saying. You can use a date where you chose yourself. You could also choose a date from someone who has passed who you want to remember. There are so many ideas that you could do when it comes to engraving something on your ring, but those are just a few that I wanted to share. A ring like this can take you from a very fancy event to very casual outings. I personally don't go to many fancy events, so the best way that I dress up my rings to be more casual is with a ring stack. Here are some extra rings that I'm going to use from my ring stack. If you go onto MollyJewelryUS.com, they also have tons of different rings that you can use to stack to create your own ring stack. I am just going to use what I have. And here is how I like to do my ring stacks. I usually like to have them a little bit spaced out. If I had more rings for this hand, I would put more, but I think it's really good to have a plain ring, probably 1 or 2 plain rings, and then to have another bigger statement ring helps to make this ring look a little bit more casual. This is how I would personally style this ring. This makes it look more casual and less like an engagement ring, and this is how you can get away with getting something very beautiful and engagement-like, but wearing it very casually and every day. I love mixing my collection of handmade and vintage rings with my Molly Jewelry US ring because this way it's very casual, I can wear it every day, and I never have to take it off. Moissanite is extremely hard. The band is crafted to be tarnish resistant and it is not easy to fade. Even with daily soap and water, it stays brilliant and holds its luster. You can use my code COLE15 for 15% off everything site-wide. Don't wait for an overpriced diamond. Treat yourself or somebody you love by going to MollyJewelryUS and customize your vintage sparkle today.